Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. iOS 16 is a big update and many features, tips and tricks are appearing in iOS 16. But many people are also facing some problems in iOS 16. In today's video, I will talking about how to solve this problem. Battery drain is the first problem after iOS 16 update. When an iOS 16 is given to a phone, the update takes some time to set up with the phone. On set up with the phone, the battery drain problem may be solved. If still the battery drain issue is not resolved, then you have to wait for next update. The next problem that many are facing is app crash. If you are facing this problem, then what you will do is update all the apps. If the problem is not solved after updating, some specific apps need to be deleted and reinstalled. Next problem is that many are facing is that Wi-Fi is not working. You will need to turn Wi-Fi on and off. If the problem is not solved even by turning it on and off, then you have to go to Settings app. Click on Wi-Fi, click on Forget Wi-Fi and reconnect. You can also solve the problem by reset network settings. First go to Settings, click on General. Here you will get an option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on it, click on Reset. And here you will get an option Reset Network Setting and click on it. The next problem that many are facing is many people's Bluetooth is not working. For this, you need to turn the Bluetooth on and off. Then you have to go to Bluetooth and try the device, and if doesn't work, then reset network settings. The next problem that some people are facing is mobile data related issue. No service is showing or mobile data speed has become slow. First you need to turn the mobile data on and off. If the problem is still not solved, try turning airplane mode on and off. Some people's personal hotspots are not working. To solve this problem, you need to turn mobile data on and off. Then if the problem is not solved, then you have to do reset network settings. The next problem that many people are facing is random reboot. Many people's phones are rebooting automatically after the iOS 16 update. If your iPhone keeps rebooting automatically, then you need to manually reboot your iPhone once. This was today's video. Hope you like the video. If you like, then don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.